Alright, so we did get the heat shield in. Not fun. Very common. They're all rusted, the bolts. So that one's not going in. But one went in and it's fine. Shield should be alright. I don't think it's going to rattle. I kind of maneuvered it so it shouldn't rattle. That's the main thing. But as long as it holds, I'm good with that. So this is the passenger side. And let's go over. I went ahead and installed the driver's side cat is in now. Got the O2 on. All my exhaust studs. Put anti-seize on them so they don't give me a pain next time I take them off. And we're gonna go ahead and do the heat shield on this side. This side's not so bad, even though I thought it was gonna be worse. There's so much junk, hoses and stuff, but I think you got more of a gap. And then you got the steering column in the way, but this one didn't fight me as bad. Plus I didn't break as many bolts coming out. So that's gonna be next. We're gonna throw that shield on. And then I think I'm gonna throw the valve covers on. Throw a lot of the pulleys, you know, the pumps, compressor, alternator. Throw the valve covers on. Yeah, let's get it going. Alright, update. We have the front cover on. Looks a little bit of a mess because I got stuff all over the place. But front cover's on. Balancer. Got the alternator down. Gonna put the power steering pump on. Compressors on. Or gonna be on. We placed a lot of the hoses. Heater hoses. Got the billet. The new billet. Aluminum hose back there. We got all new silicone hose set. And we'll continue to finish that. Got a bag of these hoses I gotta put on. What else? Cats. You can't really see, it's pretty damn dark. Got the cats on. Oh, and I'm trying to get a good angle, and I really can't. But both pre's and post cats are on. So what else are we gonna do next? So power steering, pump, air compressor, AC compressor. Gonna replace these hoses off the power steering pump. We got a new radiator we're gonna put in. I gotta put the oil cooler. Zoom in. New oil cooler adapter. I gotta put, or it's not a new one, but I got the O-ring. I gotta place that, put that one on, and the hoses to that. PCV. Gotta throw on the intake. So that's just an update. I'll get back to you after that. Alright, we got the intake on, throttle body, water rail, all connected. Just got the upper radiator hose off, you'll see why. I mean, everything's back together. Gotta put the belt on, but I'm missing something here. All I have is an AC condenser. Try to put on the new, not the new, but we cleaned up the oil cooler. Got that on there. The only hose that I guess was missing out of my kit was the oil cooler hose right here. This one's brand new, but not this side, so at least it's not that hard to replace if it leaks. But yeah, so all of that's connected, everything's connected except for the radiator, the belt, the fan shrub. And here's our radiator. Throw in a nice aluminum CSF double row. So we'll put that in right now. And then she's almost ready to rock and roll, guys. Put fluids in. Yeah, so I also did the power steering hoses. So fluids, I'm going to change the front diff fluid after I did the locker and gears. I haven't changed the fluid yet, so I'm going to do that. And I got to throw the exhaust on. I'll show you that later. But yeah, she's coming. Throw this radiator in, button it up. Got the radiator in. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, so radiator's in. I'm going to put the belt on, fan shroud, fan, and we will start putting some fluids in the vehicle here. I'm going to do the diff, the transmission, it's a manual, power steering, fill that up, coolant, give her a rip. Oh, I gotta put the exhaust back on, that's right, so we'll go ahead and do the exhaust, but she's almost there.